Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to clear cache on Banggood app. So if you also want to clear cache on Banggood app, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, let's open your Banggood application. You can see over here Banggood is opened. Now, so in order to clear the cache, all you have to do is tap on the account icon that you can see at the bottom right corner. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now you'll have to go to settings. All you have to do is tap on the settings icon that you can see at the top right corner. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you can see several settings options. Find the option for clear cache. After finding the option for clear cache, all you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here this kind of box will pop up. Are you sure you want to clear the cache? All you have to do is tap on the yes option. Now you can see over here the cache has been cleared. So that is how you clear cache on Banggood app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.